Tamim al-Dari came to the Rasul and narrated a story. Ya Rasulullah, I was in a ship and the ocean started to become rough, and there's 30 other people with me. And the waves, bashed us from pillar to post for a whole month. It's tossing us between waves. And after a month, the waves subsided and we reached near an island. And we anchored the ship and took a little boat and came to the island. And at the brink of the island, we saw a creature, the strangest we have seen, covered in hair to the extent that we couldn't tell its front from its behind. And they look at him, imagine the poor guys, a month of seasickness, and now here, and they see this creature. So they say, what are you? So he said, I am Jasasa. So they are hesitant and they say, we thought he's like a devil. So Jasasa said, there's a person in that monastery who is longing to see you. Go to him. So they went. And Tamim al-Dari says, I saw a man, big man, chained with his hands around, like near his neck, and his legs chained. And we asked him, who are you? He said, you will find out soon, but first tell me who you are and what is your story. So they said, we were in the ocean, the month passed, and we came here and we saw Jasasa and Jasasa, and then now we came here to you. So we are from the Arabs. So the person asked a few questions. Tell me about the orchards of Bisan. Are they? So they said, what do you want to know? Because he knows they're from the Arab lands. And Bisan is in Syria. Tell me about the orchards there. So he said, what do you want to know? Is it fruitful? Yeah, it's got fruits and it's giving fruits and the orchards are good. Tell me about the lake of Tiberias. They said, what do you want to know? Does it have water? They said, yes, it has water. People use it. So he said, soon it will not have any water. And with the orchard, soon it will not give any fruit. And he asked about a couple of other places and they said, yes, it is good. And the man said, soon it will not be the case. So then he asks, tell me about the unlettered prophet, An-Nabiyul Ummi. Tell me about Muhammad. Has he come and what is his situation? Yes, he has come. And how are the Arabs behaving with him? They resisted and fought him, and then they turned towards him in acceptance, and now they have accepted him. So he said, it is better for them to accept him and obey him. As with regards to me, I am the Dajjal. Soon I will be given permission to come out of here. I will be released. And I will traverse the earth from its corner to its corner, not leaving a city or a village behind. And I will roam it for 40 days, a day like a year, and so on and so forth. And I will go to every city except for Mecca and Tayyibah. So the Rasul at this time narrating the story hit his mimbar like this. He goes, Tayyibah, Tayyibah, this is Tayyibah, Medina is Tayyibah.